This is Langaria, where we came from. If we go left, we have Valley of Flowers, 3 kilometers, 3 to 4 kilometers ahead. And if we go straight from here, we have Hemkund. So we did this yesterday, completed the Valley of Flowers trek yesterday. Now we are headed towards Hemkund. Now the trek to the Valley of Flowers was kind of okayish, easy-ish.
As compared to this, yeah.
As compared to this. But there were a lot of not so flat rocks which kind of hurt your toes.
On-road experience, off-road experience.
Off-road experience. No idea about this, but people have warned us that it's going to be hard. Well, you can't see from here, but there is a huge mountain behind those clouds. So we are basically amidst the clouds. Two hours and climbing, and this is what it looks like. Did you shit your pants?
Huh?
Did you shit your pants?
No, I did not.
Would Karan have?
Yes, of course, no doubt.
What?
Would Karan have?
Yeah, man.
Shut.
Long back. Long down the hill.
Almost dead. We thought it would be 4 to 5 kilometers, but in reality, this is turning out to be like 6, 7, 8 kilometers.
No, it's 6.
It's not 6.
Yeah, it's 6.
Your face is red.
Thanks. That was valuable information.
Still, we have to go and follow those power cables, and hopefully it's behind this ridge. Well, it can't get better than this. After a rigorous trek of like 6 to 8 kilometers, we are here. I mean, what else can be more? I'm falling short of the adjective right now. So we have a lake which is green in color, which is almost like crystal clear. Next to that, we have clouds on the mountain. There are multiple waterfalls over there, and one of the highest Gurudwara. And people taking dips in this ice cold water. Man, the water is friggin' cold. The lights and light on the slopes of the mountains. Sound of the waterfall nearby. So this guy is diving in stone cold water, ice cold water. So today morning, our descent from Gangaria to Joshimath begins. It's a 10 to 12 kilometers descent. Shouldn't be a big problem. Now Karan was not feeling well, so he left us and he went on a horse. The horse cost him somewhere around 1000 to 1100 rupees. Not sure about the exact amount. Now a few things about Gangaria. The food is not good. If you're a foodie and you're expecting some delicacies over here, then no. Just eat it and just enjoy the view of the mountains. You can survive on Maggi or bread omelette or something like that, if that floats your boat. But don't expect too much from the food. And if you're asking for soup, if you're asking for something like manchow soup, they have this Nor packets, so they just pour it in hot boiling water and just give it to you. Very less things are fresh over here because hey, it's above sea level at a very high altitude. Now a few things about the stay at Gangaria. Well, there are a lot of hotels, but if you haven't pre-booked them, then, and if it's the season, then maybe you have to stay in the Gurudwara, because Gurudwara has a lot of rooms. And if you are stags, bachelors, then there is a big hall. I mean, there are multiple big halls, and you have to sleep with, I don't know, 50-70 dudes, which is kind of not comfortable, I would say, because no matter how silent you are, the dude next to you will make some noise and wake you up. So first day we did not have a booking, and the rooms were full because of the demand and the season, so we had to stay in the Gurudwara. The Gurudwara has proper medical and sanitation facilities. No hot water, and the water is ice cold just out of the tap. So if you come from a city like Mumbai, Bangalore, where it's generally hot, you cannot take a bath at Gurudwara. You can just wash your face with the ice cold water. And about the other hotels, most of the hotels, like 95% of the hotels, will not have a shower, but they will give you a bucket of hot water, and that is with some extra charge. So the staying tariff is different, and the hot water charge is different. Rooms are okay. Again, you are here for the view, because you are here to trek and not to stay in the room, so don't give a fuck about the rooms. So don't think much about the rooms. Now about the medical situation here at Gangaria. Last night Karan was kind of feeling under the weather, feverish. I mean, he also puked. So there were 2 medical shops which had the doctor sitting inside the shop, and so we took Karan to the doctor and helped him out. So apart from those 2 medical shops, which were inclusive of the doctor, there is one big dispensary at Gurudwara, which have most of the medical aid. Like even if you have asthma, they have those pumps, all those things, injections, everything is taken care of. So no need to worry about the medical aid, because there are a lot of people visiting, hence that thing is taken care of even if it's at a higher altitude. But it's always advisable to carry basic medication with you, like crocin, which is paracetamol, something like diclofenac, which will help you with your swollen pain, and something like a move ointment for sprains. That would suffice. Obviously a hand sanitizer along with your basic toiletries.